Hey there friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing these red and white peppermint marshmallows. As always, everything you're going to need will be in the description box down below. Now we're going to start with our corn syrup mixture. So we're going to add our sugar to this, our water, and our corn syrup. And we're going to boil this to about 240 degrees. You will need a candy thermometer for this. And in a bowl and a stand mix, we're going to add our gelatin and water and let that solidify. Just give it a quick little whisk and it'll be good to go. Once your corn syrup hits 240 degrees, we're going to start pouring it into that gelatin mixture. Just start slowly and be very careful because this is very hot and it can cause a third-degree burn if it gets on your skin. So just keep adding this in until it's all poured out. And then once all your mixture is added in, we're gonna raise that speed up higher and it's just gonna start whipping up and get lighter in color, and you'll see soon enough it's gonna be fluffy and white. Halfway through, you can also add your teaspoon of peppermint extract. Don't add too much because it will be very strong. You can also change the flavor. You can just do the simple vanilla, or you can add any other flavor you'd like to this. And if you just want to make one color, you can also add that in now. So you will see the mixture has gotten very pale white. It is fluffy and it's ready to be poured out. I'm going to divide mine up a little bit. I'm going to separate some to dye it red. And then I'm going to keep mine white on the side and then just go interchanging as I pour this out. So just add some red food gel to your mixture and just keep whipping it up, add the color in, make sure it's mixed in well. It doesn't look as red on the camera, but I promise you this came out very red. And then I'm going to get my quarter sheet pan and sprinkle some powdered sugar on here. You can also grease the pan before doing this so that your marshmallow doesn't stick. This can make a whole half sheet pan. I like to separate mine into quarter sheet pans. So I'm going to start by adding in some of my white marshmallow into this, and then I'm going to pour some of my red marshmallow on top and just mix this together. Give it that candy cane look. Once I've gotten this pan pretty full, I'm just gonna start mixing the colors together, kind of blend them together on top, and then I'm gonna try to even it out as well so that it's not all lumpy and uneven. So I'm using my offset spatula here, as you can see, and just trying to move it around and even it out. You can always put this mixture in a piping bag and get different designs in there. You can get creative with however you want with your marshmallows. Once it's all poured out, I'm gonna get my powdered sugar again and just dust it on top, cover it up with this. And we're gonna let this sit overnight, or you can stick it in the fridge to harden up faster. Once it's solidified, we're gonna pull this out of the pan and sprinkle it with some powdered sugar. The powdered sugar just helps with the stickiness, and it makes it a lot easier to handle. So here we're going to cut out some squares. You can make some shapes if you want. Use a cookie cutter for that. But yeah, these kind of turned out looking like bacon strips, but you know what? I love it. They're super cute. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you can keep up to date with all the recipes I post. And until next time, stay sweet!